So this is the phone case from SAKUULO here for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that I have here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to test out. So you can see this is a really nice clear case. But what's really cool about it is this iridescent effect it has. So depending on the angle and the light, you can see it has different colors. So that is super cool. So let's put it on the phone. It's really easy to get in. It is a perfect fit for the phone. Just snap it in. Everything fits perfectly. So it provides nice protection for the phone there. And then all the holes for the pen, microphone plug, everything where they should be. The buttons work great. And then you can see the nice color effect there. That is super cool. And I like that it's clear too, so you can see your phone on the inside there. And of course it is Magsafe as well, so you can use it with any like tripod or phone mount. It's magnetic. So that works great. Nice and strong. So yeah, just a really, really nice looking phone case. If you're looking for a nice, clear phone case, pretty clean, minimal design, make sure you check this out.